Deepseek R1, a new kind of AI, artificial intelligence, is changing the world. It's helping us solve complex problems and make our lives easier. Deepseek R1 is a new type of AI. It's designed to be more accessible and understandable. Think of Deepseek R1 as a very smart computer program. It's trained on a massive amount of data. This data helps it learn and understand the world. Deepseek R1 can then use this knowledge to answer questions, generate text, and even write code. Deepseek R1 is still under development, but it has the potential to revolutionize many industries. From healthcare to education, this technology could make a real difference. It's an exciting time for the future of AI. Deepseek R1 uses a process called chain of thought to solve problems. This is similar to how humans think. Imagine you're trying to solve a math problem. You don't just jump to the answer, you break it down into smaller steps. Deepseek R1 does the same thing. It takes a complex problem and breaks it down. It then solves each step logically. This step-by-step approach makes its reasoning more transparent. We can understand how it arrived at its answer. This transparency is important. It helps us trust the AI's decisions. It also allows developers to improve the model. They can see where it might be making mistakes. Chain of thought is a key innovation in making AI more understandable. Deepseek R1 learns through a process called reinforcement learning. Think of it like training a dog. You give the dog a command. If it does it correctly, you give it a treat. If it doesn't, you try again. Reinforcement learning works in a similar way. The AI is given a task. If it performs well, it receives a reward. If it doesn't, the reward is withheld. Over time, the AI learns to perform the task accurately to maximize its rewards. This type of learning is essential for AI. It allows AI to learn from its mistakes and improve over time. Just like we learn from our experiences, AI can use reinforcement learning to become more intelligent. Section 4. Distilling knowledge from teacher to student. Model distillation is another important concept in Deepseek R1. Imagine a teacher explaining a complex topic to a student. The teacher simplifies the information. This makes it easier for the student to understand. Model distillation is similar. A large, complex AI model, the teacher, trains a smaller model, the student. The student model learns the essential knowledge from the teacher. This makes it faster and more efficient to run. This process is crucial for making AI more accessible. Smaller models require less computing power. This means they can run on devices like smartphones and laptops. Model distillation helps bring the power of AI to everyone. Section 5, a tale of two models, Deepseek R1 versus OpenAI. Deepseek R1 and OpenAI are two leading AI models. They both excel in different areas. OpenAI is known for its language generation abilities. It can write stories, poems, and even code. Deepseek R1 on the other hand, is designed for problem solving and reasoning. It excels in tasks that require logical thinking and step-by-step solutions. Both models represent significant advancements in AI technology. The competition between these models drives innovation in the field. As they continue to learn and evolve, we can expect even more impressive capabilities from AI in the future. Section 6. Putting AI to the test, benchmarking performance. To evaluate AI models, researchers use benchmarks. These are like standardized tests for AI. They measure how well a model performs on specific tasks. AI Me 2024, Math 500, GPQA Diamond, Live Code Bench, and Code Forces are just a few examples. These benchmarks cover a range of disciplines. They test everything from mathematical reasoning to coding skills. Deepseek R1 has performed exceptionally well on many of these benchmarks. This demonstrates its ability to solve complex problems and generate creative solutions. Benchmarking is essential for tracking the progress of AI. It helps us understand the strengths and weaknesses of different models. This information is invaluable for guiding future research and development. Section 7. The future of AI, accessible and powerful. Deepseek R1 represents a significant step forward in AI. It's designed to be more transparent, understandable, and accessible. This has the potential to democratize AI. It makes its power available to everyone, not just tech giants. Imagine a world where AI helps us solve global challenges. From climate change to disease prevention, the possibilities are endless. Deepseek R1 is paving the way for a future where AI empowers humanity. As AI continues to evolve, it's crucial that we develop it responsibly. We need to ensure that it benefits all of humanity. Deepseek R1 is a positive step in that direction. It's an exciting time to be witnessing the dawn of a new era in artificial intelligence. See you next time. If you like this video, be sure to like it and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and any questions you might have. Thanks for being here, and I can't wait to share more with you.